Hello and welcome to my dropshipping course. In this video you will find out what can you expect from this course, and in this course I will be featuring 3 different business models. So you will be able to make money without no money at all, and this course is way different than any other courses here that you can find, because this course does not depend from running Facebook ads or running Google AdWords ads to have your dropshipping business successful. The whole point of doing dropshipping is to be able to make money without no money at all. So if you're using Facebook ads to make dropshipping, then you are still not making money without no money at all. You are investing money in Facebook ads, and in this course I will show you how can you sell using 3 different business models without no Facebook ads or Google AdWords ads. So in this course I will show you how to dropship products, because that is something that everyone is doing right now, but I am not dropshipping products to state right now. I am dropshipping services, and I am dropshipping affiliate things. So in this course I will show you how to dropship services using top rated platforms. I will also show you how can you sell products without no money at all using Facebook, and I will show you how can you dropship affiliate products, and I will show you everything step by step, and I will create all these things in practical way. So by the end of this course you will be able to start making money without no money at all using many methods that work. So if you want to learn all these things, then this course is best solution for you.